Hello, in this video I'm going to explain to you what is GROK AI. Okay, so GROK AI is a chatbot created by Elon Musk. It's similar, for example, to the ChatGPT. As we open up the GROK.com, we can see that the window appeared. In here we have the chat. We can type our question, what do we want to know. So let me show you how it works. So let's say we want to know who was the first man on the moon. So let's simply type it. Okay, we also have suggested questions down below. So let's click this option. Now the GROK will look for the answer in the internet, and we can see that the first man was Neil Armstrong. So that's how the GROK can help you to find the information in the internet. Also, we can attach, for example, the photo, a file, text context. We can draw a sketch thanks to the GROK. We can connect into our Google Drive and connect into our Microsoft Drive. If you click on the export right in here, you can choose, for example, the auto mode, chooses fast or expert. We have the fast mode. It allows us to get quick responses. When we select the expert mode, the GROK will think for a little bit longer, but we will have more precise answers, or GROK for fast, but currently it's in the beta version. We also have the custom instructions. We can add them manually right in here. We can also change the appearance of our GROK, light, dark, or the system. We can also, for example, enable to display your message in Markdown, wrap long lines for code blocks by default, or show conversation previews in history. You can enable those things right in here. Below we have the behavior. We can adjust those things right in here also. Okay. Now, as we go to the downside from the list on the left side, we can also use the voice typing. If you want to use this on your PC, you need to have your microphone connected, and thanks to that we don't need to type manually our question. We can simply use our voice. Then the GROK will analyze it, and he will give us the answer that we want. So let's again try with this question about who was the first man on the moon. To use the voice command, click on this icon right in here, and the GROK will start analyzing our speech. So let me show you how it works. Who was the first man on the moon? Who was the first man on the moon? Alright, as you can see, we get our answer also, and this speech works. Below we have the Imagine option, and here we have a list of AI generated photos. We can also, of course, type in this bar. Manually, we can tell him to create, for example, a new AI edit, and also we can attach the things from our PC. Now let's try to edit, for example, one of those photos that are on that list. So let's say, let's get that photo. We can make it a video from this photo. As we click on this arrow, we can also add the speech, select the custom video prompt. We can make it spicy, fun, or normal. Let's make a video, for example, of it. So we need to click on that, and now it will be generated. So we need to wait a little bit until it's finished. So it's going to take a little bit, but we should get a pretty good result. Alright, as you take a look, our photo has been converted into the video. Looks pretty nice. Of course, we can download it when you click that button. You can add it into your favorites when you click the heart icon, or you can share with it using the link. Okay, below we have the projects. And here we have an instruction what we can do thanks to it. So we have the create and customize option, build a new project in seconds, upload files like documents, code, and data, and add specific instructions to guide Grok's responses. We have the contextual conversations, start chats with your project, and Grok will automatically use your uploaded files and custom instructions as context, ensuring smarter and more relevant answers every time. Shared read-only access, share your project with friends, colleagues, or teams in a read-only format. They can view the project files and instructions, then start their own conversations using the same context. All conversations remain private to each user, so no one sees anyone else's chat. Pretty cool thing. To create a new project, simply click on Create. Right in here, add your project name. You can also change the icon of it. If you click, in my case, into that moon icon, and below we have also the project instructions, and you can simply type the instructions to Grok, and he will adopt them. If you click on Share with Me, in here we'll see the shared projects if you have one. But to see something in here, when one of your friends needs to send you the link. Below we have the history of the conversations, so we can easily get back to the conversation that we had before. And if you are interested in upgrading your Grok, for example, into the premium version, we need to click on our icon right in here and click on Upgrade Plan. We can pay monthly or yearly. When you pay yearly, we'll save 60%. We have the Super Grok or Super Grok Heavy. When it comes to the Super Grok, it gives us increased access to Grok 4, also the Grok 3, which is the previous version. We will have extended memory, up to 128,000 tokens, priority voice access, image model, companions, any and Valentine. When it comes to the Super Grok Heavy, it costs $4,000, $3,000 per year, so that's pretty much. But we have exclusive preview of Grok 4 Heavy, extended access to Grok 4 and 3. Actually, when it comes to the Grok 3, we'll have unlimited access, while on the Super Grok packet we have the increased access. In here we'll have it unlimited, longest memory. In here we have the value in the tokens, and the early access to new features. Thanks to that, or we can pay the monthly. You can see the prices right now on the screen. So that's when it comes to the Grok used in your browser, but we also have the Grok available on the X platform. You can see that on the left side we also have the Grok. Thanks to it, we can, for example, analyze the posts, generate responses into that post. We can also enchant our things. As you take a look, when you click on the premium version right in here, down below we have the annual payment or monthly. We have the premium or the premium plus version. When it comes to the monthly and the premium, it costs in here it's in the PLN, so you will have to convert it into dollars, and the premium costs this amount of money. I cannot now see it, how it will be in the dollars, but below again we can also read what each pack will give us. But that's not the premium Grok, that's the premium pack of our X account. As we scroll down, we can see what each pack will give us. So when it comes to the premium version of the X platform, that's not the Grok itself, when we will buy a premium on the X account, we will have the higher usage limits of our AI, but we won't get access into the Super Grok when you will select normal premium, and we won't get access into early access to new features. It only is available when we buy the premium plus version. Now let me show you what we can do when we will use the Grok itself in the post. So let's click on home. Now when we have posts like this, for example, and on the right side we have explain this post feature and the Grok icon. When you click on that, the Grok will analyze the post and give us some information about it. Of course, down below in here we can type to get more information. GROK will give us the answer about this post, or we can, for example, create our own post using the GROK. To do it, click on this icon, enhance your post with GROK, and you can generate the image thanks to it, or enhance your post. To use the second option, we need to first type something, so let me quickly think about something. Okay, I have typed it with mistakes, so the GROK will be able to give us the entrance option. When we click on that, you can see that now the GROK analyzed it, that it's typed in the wrong way, and he have solved that mistake, and now it's in the proper form. Now we can click this icon. If you click on that, he'll rethink it once again, and we can insert it as a post, and it has been automatically copied in the place of our previous sentence, but this time it's typed in the proper way. Now we can click on post to simply add the post on your account. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.